Good morning. Today we are going to discuss accounting standards. Now, why there was a need for accounting standard? Now, earlier the businesses were small, and gradually the size of the business started growing. The revenue started growing. The companies started operating in different countries. So the diversity, complexity, globalization of business made the study of accounting information very important. And since all the countries or the markets were following different accounting practices, so it was very difficult to make the comparison of accounting information. So there was a need to introduce minimum standards or generally accepted accounting principle which can be universally applicable to bring in understandability, comparability, reliability into the accounting standards. So all the countries came together and they set up International Accounting Standard Committee. Um, um, In India, the Institute of Chartered Accountants set up Accounting Standard Board in 1977, which identified various alternative and diverse practices. So we will be discussing the accounting standards and its objectives. We will not go through all the accounting standards. Okay, so we can say that accounting standards are no, accounting standards are set of guidelines that are followed for preparation and presentation of financial statements. Okay, what is this? It is a set of guidelines followed for preparation and presentation of financial statements. Okay, financial statement के preparation के लिए guidelines हैं. ठीक है. Accounting standards bring uniformity in accounting practices and ensure transparency, consistency and comparability, and they are mandatory in nature. Now in our book under accounting standards, 2-3 topics are given, like nature of accounting standard, concept of accounting standard is there, then objectives, utility and limitations of accounting standard. But here we will be discussing only objectives of accounting standards. Once you understand this topic in a better manner, we will discuss the utility, limitations and concepts. Okay, so objectives of accounting standard, the first one which we are going to discuss is that when there are diverse accounting policies and practices, accounting standards try to minimize the policies, number of policies. Okay, with the aim of eliminating them to the maximum extent. Okay, minimizing the diverse accounting policies and practices with the aim to eliminate them to the maximum possible extent. Okay, second one, to promote better understanding of financial statements. Okay, accounting standards help us to understand the financial statement in a better manner. Okay, accounting standard facilitate meaningful comparison of financial statements, like this year's financial statements will be compared with the previous year's financial statements to find out whether this year the company have performed well or in which areas the company needs improvement. Okay, so following accounting standards bring understandability, uniformity and it brings comparison between different years data or the data of same year but of different companies can be compared. When accounting standards are followed, it becomes easier to compare. Then accounting standards bring reliability of financial statement. This is one of the important characteristics of financial information, that it should be reliable. If the users of accounting information do not trust the accounting information, then whatever efforts we have put in preparing the financial statements will go waste. So reliability of accounting standards, reliability of financial statements is important, and which is increased by the introduction of accounting standards, or accounting standards bring more reliability to the financial statements.